Hi everyone. In continuation to the last video we had for the high level overview of FI SD integration logic, today we will start doing configuration of SD basic steps. Okay, SAP sales and distribution basic steps we will do the configuration so that we can enable the system to test entire O2C cycle, and we can analyze how system determines the revenue GL account. So let's start. We go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, then go to sales and distribution and go to basic functions, account assignment and costing. Okay, then go to revenue account determination. So here are a couple of steps which we need to complete to do the baseline configuration for revenue account determination. So the first one is define dependencies for revenue account determinations. In this step we are going to create new condition table, or we can change the existing one, or we can display the existing condition tables. So first of all, let us see the existing condition tables. So we can see these are the condition tables are already created in the system. Some of them are already delivered by SAP and some of them are created by users. So let's display 515 condition type, for example. Okay, so in this screen we can see these are the fields which are selected in this condition table, and these are the available fields. Okay, so let's go back and create the new one, and these condition tables are nothing but this comes from this will appear in your VKOA screen. VKOA, this is the transaction code we use for FISD integration, right? So let's go and create new table. So we will create table 516. So let's select the field account assignment group for material, account assignment group for customer, and then plant, sales organization, and account key. So I want to create one condition table with all these fields. Once we have selected all these fields, then click on generate, press enter, select yes, and here just select local object. Okay, so the condition table is created. Now we can go back in the display mode and we can see this table, right? So the condition table is created 516. In the next step we are going to create access sequence and account determination type. Start with the maintain access sequence for the account determination. So first of all we will create the access sequence. So as you can see there are already existing access sequences. This is the default one, standard access sequence we are using, coffee, KOFI. If you go inside these accesses, so here you can see the number of condition tables assigned within the access sequence, and this is the order has been given, like sequence is 10, 20, 30, 40. So this table should be accessed first when system is trying to find out the revenue GL account, then this should be the next, and this next, like this, right? So this is the sequence. So but we are going to create new access sequence for our test. So we can copy this one and let's say Z200. Basically here the name says as account determination, but it is access sequence, Z200 access sequence. copy all. Okay, so this is the one we have created, Z200. Now go inside, click on access. These are the condition tables just copied from access sequence KOFI. For our test, we will keep the first three tables and we are going to add our new condition table. So I'm going to delete the remaining two. And I don't want these two also. Now I want to add new condition table which we have created. So the sequence should be 40, the next number, and the table is 516. Press enter. Okay, so first of all, when we delete these sequences, we should save it first. Okay, now if you go back, these are the condition tables we have in this access sequence. Now we want to add new one, so with the number 40 I will add 516. Okay, save it. So you are getting one message down below, right? Basically, if you see, just go back one step, you see this message, the field assignment has not yet been made. And if you see the difference, this field is still editable but other fields are not. So what we have to do, just select this, the newly added table entry, and click on fields. Press enter, then go back, and now you can save without any warning message or any error message. So we have created access sequence Z200 wherein we have three tables which are the default one, and I have added new one. It's not necessary that we have to have all these tables. We can have only the one which we just have created. Like that, we can have 2 to 3 more condition tables. We can add it here, or if required we can just have only one. But just to test how system will determine the revenue account out of all these condition tables, we have just given the sequence, and we will see whether system will check this condition table, this, and then this. Will system will check or not, and then how system will determine the revenue GL account. For that purpose, we have kept here couple of tables. Now let's go back, save, and the next step, define account determination type. So basically here we are doing two things at a time. We are defining account determination type, plus we will assign access sequence. Okay, so let's say click on new, and we will give Z200 account determination type, and our access sequence was Z200. So we have defined account determination type, and we have linked the access sequence which we just created in the last step, and now save it. So I am going through just those steps which I have presented in the last class in the same sequence, right? So let me recap quickly. So what we have done, we have created condition table in this step, and in the next step those condition tables, the new one and few more which were already existing, those condition tables we have put in the access sequence. We created one access sequence, and in that access sequence we have assigned condition tables, right? And then in the next step we are going to create the account determination type, and we are going to link the access sequence to the account determination type. Up to here we have completed. The next thing is define and assign account determination procedure. So in this step we are going to create account determination procedure. This was account determination type, and here this would be account determination procedure. So let us see. Define account determination procedure. So if you see, this is the standard one, KOFI00. Okay, so we are going to create the new one, so we can copy from this standard procedure, and we can give here, say like ZZFI. Okay, copy all. So we have created account determination procedure. Now select this, or let us save this first, and then click on control data. So basically in the account determination procedure we assign the account determination type. Here it says condition type, but no, it is account determination type only. Okay, so don't get confused with this column name. This is basically account determination type only. Okay, so as you know, like we have KOFK, KOFI. KOFI is the one which is without account assignment object, and KOFK is with CO account assignment. So we will keep this one if required, like such scenario where the sale order has to be cost object, then we can keep this one. But for without CO object we are going to choose the one which we have created, which was Z200, Z200, right? Okay, now the requirement. From here we will determine whether this is CO assignment or without CO assignment. So 2 means with CO account assignment, 3 means without CO account assignment. So we have selected 3 for Z200, so that means this is without CO account assignment. And now we are going to save it. Now let's go back, and the next step is to assign the account determination type to billing type, right? Billing type. So but before that we have to create the billing type. So let's create the billing type. So go to, scroll down and go to billing document, define billing type. So the standard billing type is F2. We can copy from this, select and copy as, and let's give some name, say like A2. Press enter. So system says entry is already existing with this key. So okay, let's say okay, this is also existing. Let me go back and see the existing entries. S2 is there, Z1 is not there, so okay, let's create Z1. Okay, now again go inside, and here you can see this is the default setting. We are not going to change much here, but one thing we are going to change is this one, but this we will change in the next step. For now let us save this. So we have created billing document type, Now go back and start from this configuration step, which is this one, define and assign account determination procedure. So we already defined account determination procedure. Now we are going to assign the account determination procedure to our billing type. The billing type is Z1 we just created. So you can see here system has copied KOFI00 from billing type F2. But what is the account determination procedure which we have created, which is ZZFI00. So let's select this one, press enter and save it. Go back. So we have completed this step. Now if you see in the billing type, Z1, here this is the new account determination procedure is assigned here. Okay, one more step is that we need to create new order type, sale order type, and we need to assign this billing type inside the sale order type. So let's see how to create the sale order type. So to create the sale order type, go to sales document, sales document header, and then click on define sales order type. So the standard sale order type is OR. We are going to copy this sale order type and I will say Z1, or let us say Z3. Okay, I have created Z3 sale order type. So inside the sale order type, if you see, we have to give the billing type, which was Z1. Okay, this setting we have done and we are going to save it. Click continue. Alright, so we have created sale order type and we have assigned the billing type in the sale order type. So we already established the required linkage here. Now let's go back in these steps and see what is the next one. So this we have completed, define and assign account determination procedure. The next step is define and assign account key, which we don't need. Account key is already there, like ERL is for revenue account, ERS is for discount something. There are many account keys are already there, so we don't need to do that. Now we need to assign the GL accounts. Assign GL accounts. This is nothing but VKOA screen. Now you see this is the condition table which we have created. It appears here. If you go inside, these are the fields against which we need to assign the GL account here. But before that, let us create one GL account. Go to FS00, and if you see, so I'm going to create one new GL account. The name I will say sales revenue test. Rest everything is same. Now save it. Okay, so this is the GL account. I'll copy from here and go to new entries, give the GL account here. Now what are these fields? Let us select the application is V means sales and distribution. The condition type we have created is nothing but account determination type. Here system says condition type, but this is the account determination type. So Z200 we selected. The chart of count is RN00, and this is account assignment group for customer. Let us see, press F1 and you can see this is for material. Okay, this is for material. So for material we have 03, and this is for customer, right? This is for customer. For customer we have 01. Sorry, so I pressed 1. Let me again enter. Now plant also we need to give RN01, sales organization RN01, and account key. ERL is for sales revenue. We'll select ERL and we will give this GL account here. Press enter. Now the first entry I don't need because I couldn't fill these fields here. I'm going to remove this and save it. That means the configuration we have done, but still 2 more steps are left, which is copy control. So let's finish that also. So there are 2 more settings which we need to complete, is called the copy control. Let's go to this screen. The next step is the transaction code VTFA. Sometimes what happens, system will not copy the new billing type and sale order type, so we need to check it here. The billing type was Z1, sale order type was Z3. If it exists here, then it is well and good. If it doesn't, then we just have to go to change mode and add the new entry here with the billing type Z1 and order type, the new order type, which is Z3. But for us this is already existing here, so nothing to worry about this. The next T code is VTFL. Press enter. And here also we need to check billing type Z1 and delivery type is LF. So this is also updated here, so we don't have to do anything. If it doesn't, then we just have to go to new entry and add it here. LF because this is the delivery document type and this is assigned in the sale order type or in the billing type, right? So now basically we have completed the required configuration settings. Yeah, we have also updated VKOA. Right, so we have completed the required setting. In the next video I will create the entire O2C cycle, means I will create the sale order, the delivery, post of goods issue, and I will create the billing. Then we will see how system has determined the revenue GL account, whether the system determines this GL account or it determines some other GL account, and what is the reason behind this. So we will do the analysis and then we will understand. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video, and please do share, like and subscribe. If you have any doubt, please comment, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Thank you.